Hello guys. We're doing the unboxing. It's my first time doing unboxing shit, and we're gonna do unboxing the Venti card that I bought on Toycon like last Saturday in November 7, I guess. November 7. I don't think it's November 7. I don't think so. Anyways, it's a Venti laser card. Phantom laser card. I don't know it is Chinese or Japanese. I'm pretty sure this is Japanese, but let's go. So here, it says that 4 plus 1. Tinanong ko to sa may sa nagbebenta nito na lahat na nandito, guaranteed na magiging bendy. And there's a chance that there's one pic, then there's merong isa dito, ano siya, parang 3D na picture, tapos yung apat possible na maging laser cards. Yung ganito, yung may ilaw-ilaw, yung may rainbow, that's the possibilities. So di na din sayangin tong I'm pretty sure I need I need scissors here. Ay shit, I don't have scissors. Yep, I don't have scissors, but fuck it. No, I forgot the scissors. I'm doing unboxing and I forgot the scissors. Wait, hold on. I'm back. I got the scissors now. So this is what we're gonna use, and it's a little big, but we're gonna use it. So I'm not gonna destroy the packaging because it looks cool, and this is my first time doing the unboxing. This is not unboxing, packaging to. Wala na. So let's start. So we're gonna okay. Let's not try to damage the we're not doing the bottom because bottom has the letters. All the top doesn't have it. So we're gonna do the top. Okay, cannot see it. Wrong side, I guess. Wrong side. Please don't. Huwag ka manginig. Okay, I'm doing it. Ginagawa ko to, mama. Please don't break. That's really good. Okay, here. So it's open now. And this is the only part that I cut. Thankfully, the other top doesn't cut out. So that's huge, I guess. So here we go. What part do we know? So we're gonna open it on I think. Woo! So we're not gonna throw this up. I'm gonna preserve this packaging, and it looks cool. It looks beautiful, man. Ventis looks beautiful here. So we're not gonna throw this up. Gonna put it here, there. So we're gonna see if I got a hologram, 3D laser. I don't know the code, but let's go. Woo! I got this. I think this is the feature that hologram 3D shit. Yep, I think this is it. It moves. So this is the one. Why the fuck it's so it's it's another one. This is the laser plotter. This is one. So there's 3 more. Ito, das parehas na kala ko parehas na ng pose Ba't sila baliktad? So this is 3. This is the number 2. Okay, my fingers is that looks gorgeous. Basta maganda. Tagalog version. So this is the second one. This is the third one. It's horizontal, so it's like, oh my god, holy shit. So since I think it's definitely Chinese. There's no way that's Japanese, man. Definitely Chinese, because I know Chinese is so obsessed with Genshin, because Genshin came from Chinese. So I think this is the anyways, this is the third card. So the last one is the next card. So let's see. When is the project? I don't know that. Genshin Impact. So okay. This is the last card. Oh my god, grabe. Holy shit. Okay, it's fucking Chinese. It's definitely Chinese. Holy shit. Wait, balik. It says that Genshin Impact and Razer Words. What the hell? It's Genshin Impact? What the wait, don't tell me the other cards says that. Let's see. There's no way that definitely. Oh my god, this is gonna be fucking. Wait lang. Let me check. So we're gonna check because this one says Genshin Impact. It's not M. It's not N. It's M. Impact. There's no word that impact in. There's no word like that, man. Even though I'm bad at Chinese, even though I'm bad at English, there's no way there's a word like that. Let's see. There's no. Okay, the top here says impact. That's impact. So the third one, this is the second one. Like, this is the first one. First one says project. Asan yung ano? There's no saying Genshin Impact, but I think we could look. It's Genshin Impact. This is the third photo, I guess. Genshin Impact. While this one says that Genshin Impact. What the fuck is that? Oh my god, Chinese people, man. Well, I don't blame them. I'm bad at English words too, bro. So I can't even spell gorgeous. I just know how to pronounce it. So this is the 5 cards that I got. This is the first one. This is the 3D hologram sheet. I don't know the hologram, so don't blame me. I'm bad at English. This is the first one. This is the hologram. Let's put it there. Focus the camera so get this shit out. There. This is the second card. The first card in hologram laser. It's adorable looking Venti. So this is the this is the third card or the second laser card. Venti is holding the I think the here this is piece flower ascension material. I think probably not because I know the color that. This is that's the third one. Let's see. So this is the third holo laser card and the fourth card in the packaging. Genshin Impact. So it's the horizontal one. Venti looks gorgeous here. And I should put this here, I guess. Oh my god, I can't even show this shit, man. This is I can't focus on the Genshin Impact. Sorry. Okay, this is the fifth card in the packaging, and this is the fourth and the last laser card in the in the package. So this is the one that says Genshin Impact. I don't even know what the fuck I'm gonna say with this shit, man. So here Venti looks. Wait. Okay, I get. Wait a minute. This actually makes sense because Anemo can swirl with any element besides Dendron Geo. So look, Venti can have the Pyro Ice and Cryo Electro Hydro. It's actually a Spyro. This is actually cool because Venti can swirl and can combine with the element that swirls. So this actually looks sick. This is okay. So this is the cards that I got from this. This is like 200 pesos, I think. So in terms of dollars, this is like $3.8. So this is actually worth. And this is I think in Chinese words this is I'm not racist, but a little bit, but on social media, but it says here that sinabi ko to kay kuya tinanong ko siya so sa may nagbebenta, sabi niya dito sa may 4 na yan, ito yung 4 na laser cards, yung 4. So itong isa na to, yung hologram sheet. So this is it. This is the packaging. So yeah. So I hope you like this is my first thing unboxing. So yeah. Thank you guys for Ano? Thank you guys for watching the my first packaging video. So yeah, thank you. This is my Venti. Look how stupid he is. Wait lang, yung leg niya. Okay, I'm gonna make a stand for him. So yeah, bye bye. Wait, nagpo-focus ba? Yay.